Alec Baldwin is back in the news today. A judge has dismissed a civil lawsuit he brought against multiple people involved with the Rust movie set shooting case. The actor sued prosecutors in January. His attorneys allege abuse of process and defamation, among other things. According to People magazine, court documents show the lawsuit has now been dropped because of a lack of significant action. The involuntary manslaughter charge against Baldwin was dropped, stemming from the 2021 deadly shooting on the set of the movie Rust.